In this video, we're going to show you how to create a logo field using your Patmark Windows-based software. For this example, we're going to be using our Patmark-Mini with a 15 by 15 millimeter marking window. First, let's select our field and then click the logo button. At this point, it's going to bring up any available logos to mark. For this example, we're going to be using our Patmark logo. Once our logo is pulled up, we can now go on to the location. For our Y, we're going to move to a 13, X at a 2, and height we're going to change to 11 millimeters tall. The pitch and the width do not require any changes for logos, so we can now move on to our force and quality. For force, we're going to leave it at a 5, and quality we're going to change to a 9. Once these changes are made, we can now go on to the marking process. Thank you for watching, and contact us for your next part or tag marking application. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out more helpful training videos.